This Suncoast Realty Solutions, LLC property video is presented by Connie Sample. Perfect fixer-upper for investor. Due to needed repairs and renovations, this home is being sold either cash only. The entire home has terrazzo floors which can probably be reconditioned. Kitchen needs renovation as there are no appliances and some counters and cabinets have been removed. This would make an ideal rental property once repairs are completed. Seller requires that all properties be active on market for 10 calendar days, so no offers will be submitted to seller prior to January 24, 2020. For more information, review the details below.